Hello everyone! If your iPhone keyboard is flickering, then don't worry. This video is for you. Your problem will get solved after watching this video. Now, let's quickly go to the solutions. Solution number 1. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. To do this, open Settings apps on your iPhone. Then tap on General. Then scroll a bit and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, click on Reset. Now select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your password and screen time password. Select Reset Dictionary. Now your keyboard flickering issue would be solved. If not, then let's move to solution number 2. Solution number 2. Turn off Predictive for keyboard. Open Settings. Click on General. Tap on Keyboard. Scroll down to Predictive and turn it off. Now go to the home screen and restart your iPhone. Solution number 3. Reset all settings. Click on Settings, then tap on General, scroll and then click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and click on Reset all settings. Now enter your passcode, then click on Reset all settings. Again, click on Reset all settings to confirm. Solution number 4. Update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS and that will fix your issue. I hope that after following the steps mentioned, your issue will be solved. If you have any doubts, let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.